What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Torrance, California. Let's go see what they got. Make sure you help your boy out. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell because y'all know I do drop a lot of videos. If you're new to the channel, we visit a lot of Nike outlets. We visit a lot of sneaker shops. We talk about sneakers. We talk about how to cop sneakers. And we cover all kinds of stuff. So yeah, let's look around, see what they got. I think it's 20% off entire store. Let's go see. Yep, 20% off entire purchase. So getting some of that stuff for 20% off. That's what I'm talking about right there. 20% off. What? Size 10.5 right here. That is my size. Watch, I'm gonna regret not getting these because it is 20% off. Watch. Got some 7s right here. 20% off, man. Everything seems a lot better, dude. I'm telling you. And then size 10. I do wear size 10. For the 13s, they do run a little bit big. But yeah, not bad, not bad. Especially that, yeah, not bad at all. Not bad at all. All right, let's check out the clearance section right here. Not the biggest clearance section, but definitely worth checking. I'm still tripping out. No signs or nothing. Man, Vaporfly Next Percents. Dang, go for $120. That is a size 15. You do get that 20 off. Remember, if you have a Nike app or Nike account, size 12, $180 for these, so that's cheaper than that. Okay. Oh, they are different sizes though. Dude, got some LeBrons right here going for $95. That's a size 10.5. Dang, they don't really have too much big stuff. $130 for those here, size 14. Rams, huh? Pegasus 38 Rams going for $130. Size 13s right here. GTS 97. Okay. Some Air Force One boots, size 12, $160. Tempo Next Percent Flyknits go for $110. Those are $130. Those are size 13. Not much in the huge sizes. Do got a size 18 LeBron right here. Do got one of those, but not much above size 12 to be honest. Size 11s. Got the Free Crater Trail Mocs. Oh man, those are awful. Okay, I don't know the price either. Free Run 2s go for $110. These are all 11s. The Defy All Days Wannabe Monarchs go for $50. Some cleats right here. The Superfly 8 Pros go for $160. That's retail. Size 12.5. $120 for those. That's actually not bad. Size 11, $175 for these. Air Max 95s. Pegasus 37 right there. USA colorway go for $90. Oh, we are in the size 10.5s. But those Metcon 7s, these are an 11 though. $140. Eyeshadow Wears go for $100. That's a 10.5. Oh, got the Nike Glide Flies go for $75. These are the craters, the ones that you can just slide on your feet, super easy. They look terrible though. They look ugly in my opinion. If y'all like them though, that's all you do. It's all good. $75 for those. Do got some Jordan 1 Low Golf. Oh, these are my size too. The all whites. Oh damn, these are good too. $140, just kind of pricey. Yeah, you did get 20% off, so it'd still be $117 or something. Damn. Which is weird because I have some Jordan 1 Lows and they fit big as hell. These like fit true to size. These fit true to size. What the hell? Damn, I really like the leather on them. They were cheaper maybe, but $140, even with the discount, that's just too much. That's too much, yo. Damn, that looks dope. Size 10s, we have the Acronym Blazers. They have a bunch of these here, different sizes too. They got some Air Force Ones. Those don't look too bad. Gum bottom, creamish top. $135 for those. I think I said I'm in the size 10s, right? 9.5s now. Pegasus 38s. These are going for what? These are going for $60 and then get that 20% off. Okay. The words and stuff kind of interesting on yeah, I'm good on those. All right, I'm good on those. I was thinking about for somebody. Then Pegasus 38, and this is for the Bears. $130 for those. Air Force One size 10 right here. There's a ton of size 10s, but they're all regular price though. Size 9, 9.5, I think. Yeah, 9.5 waffle ones. These are definitely interesting with the color and stuff. $70 for these. Some Phantoms right here. Phantom Academy size 9 go for 80. I am looking for cleats, so I'm checking cleats a little bit more than usual. Infinity Tours. These are some golf cleats going for $160. Ooh, look at these. These are hella interesting. Nike by Dominique. And yeah, these are, wow, that's super bright. Does have the 3M on it. Let's check out the 3M. Okay, that's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. Go for regular price though. $190, that's a size 9. Zoom GP Turbo Hardcore for tennis. $140 for those. Air Max Plus 160, these are size 8s. Like I said, a ton of these acronyms. Seen a bunch of them, size 8.5 right here. Go for $90, plus a discount, not bad. All right, let's check out the aisles right here. You got some Witness 5s, Soldier 14s, more Witness 5s. Another one of those. Or you could get the 6s. The 6s got stability plate back here. Full length air zoom. PG 15. Last shot section. This is the only outlet here that has that. And they're just pretty much pairs where they don't have enough to put out here. You're supposed to have full size run. No full size run goes right here. Usually with these, they throw off the box top and then they'll actually throw it in the clearance section. But yeah, they do have a last shot section here. Free run 2s right here. Challenger OGs. Witness 5s. 270 Reacts. Metcon 6s. Crater Impacts. Remember, these are all 20% off. So not bad. Pegasus 37. These are some comfy slides. This has like memory foam and stuff. Doesn't have the most arch support, but these are pretty comfortable. $15. Hella cheap. Only have size 8s, 9s. 11, 12, they got quite a few sizes. Okay. And 20% off. So what does that come out to, what, $12? Damn. Witness 5s. Metcons, did I show all these already? Crater Impacts. All right, let's check out the regular aisles now. You got the Blazer cords. Got the regular Blazers. Airflight 89s at the outlets. That's crazy because I thought these sold out. Look at that leather. Not bad. Not bad at all. Like a maroon colorway. What is that? It says Team Red Smoke Gray. That's not a Team Red. 270 Reacts. Pre-days right here. Air Max pre-days. Air Max 2017s. A few of these. Dang, they got 4 colorways. Dang, most places got 3. Okay. Got these. They always got a trio of these everywhere. Same price. Nike React Lives. Defy All Days. Got a few of them. Another one of those. A couple of Monarchs. 3 Monarchs. Pegasus 38. Let's see what colorway this is. The black and whites. Black and whites. Dang. If they had a different size, I would still get these for a relative $60. Look at that. Look at that. You know the resellers grab these. I don't blame them. Man, $60, dude. $60, 20% off. That's what, $42? $42. Damn. 37s. These are the Shield versions. Probably hot as hell in the summer. Damn, that's the only really good deal on Pegasus. Damn it. Yeah, all these, man. 37s go for more than the 38s. React Milers. Infinity Run Flynets. Couple of those. Actually, quite a few. Dang, okay. Damn. I'm thinking about it, man. Not thinking about it. I did get a speeding ticket this morning. Yeah, there's no way I can afford that right now. I need to pay my speeding ticket ASAP. But yeah, dude got one of these right here. This is Tech Fleece right here. $160 though, retail. That is a large. Dang. Did forget to mention this is the clearance section. Dude got, what the hell is this, dude? It's a shirt, but it looks like there's water on it. $28, normally $35. Another Tech Fleece. This is a hoodie though. This is a Tech Fleece hoodie. But yeah, still $160. This is an XL. Trey Young jersey, $110. That is a double XL. ACG triple XL, $110. $40 for these. It's normally $55. Got another hoodie right here. This is $70. Is that the same one that we saw? Looks slightly darker. Yep. Those are both smalls. Another Tech Fleece. This is a sweatshirt going for $130. This is a medium right here. Oh, dang. Jordan fleeces going for $40. How much are these t-shirts going for? What these t-shirts going for? $25 for those t-shirts. G-Sweat. Hoodies going for 55. This one going for what, 55 as well? Okay. This is their tiny little clearance section for pants, I guess. It's like the smallest little rack I've seen. I don't really see much though. Oh, they got the hoodies, the flight hoodies. These were down to pretty cheap if I remember. $30. You did get that extra percentage off. That color though, man, maybe. What even matches this? Maybe the unions, if you have the unions maybe. But 90 down to 30 to get the extra discount was at $24. $24 after the discount. Got a maroon Jordan jacket, $250 down to $175. That's a medium, and then a hoodie. These Nike hoodies. These are down to, oh, these are regular price, $65. Okay. Dang, 20% off. I'm looking, and when they do have 20% off, you can't stack these deals. So it says 50% off. So this is going for $40. You would get 50% off, so it'd be 20, and then you get 40% off on top of 20% off on top of that, so it'd be $16. Is that an extra clearance set? Like a clearance rack? What the hell? I've never seen that before. This is specifically for training though. What is this? What kind of shirt is this? I don't know what shirt this is. 55 down to 15. It is the dry fit. I don't know what sports this is for though. I don't know, just like running, I guess. But yeah, that was 15. This is 60 down to 20. So okay, there. Pretty cheap. Bunch of different colors. Polos going for an extra 30% off. Normally 55 down to 40. Down to 40, yep. 40 for the different ones right here. Another 30% off of those as well. So these are 40, you get another 30% off on top of that. Black one's pretty clean. Black one, oh, it's $50, so that one's regular price. And then you get 30 off, I guess. All right, man, that's pretty much about it. I think I'm gonna wrap it up, dude. Probably a shorter vlog. Gonna wrap it up though. Let's go. All right, guys, that's pretty much about it. That 20% off makes such a big difference. Remember, whenever they have a heat section, most of the times nowadays the outlets have not been giving us 20% off or 30% off or whatever the hash wall discount is. But right now you do get that 20% off, so you got to take advantage of those situations. The Brotherhoods, I was talking to someone, I was like, damn, dude, that's probably the last time I'll probably see those on sale, because you know we really haven't had we haven't really had too many opportunities to grab stuff on sale like that, especially with the retros and stuff. But man, I got that speeding ticket, so I gotta go pay for that. So damn, I don't even know how much it's gonna cost me, but it is what it is. I got caught speeding on the freeway, so it is what it is. But hey, it is what it is, guys. Hope you guys are able to find some deals. Hope you guys are able to cop, unlike me right now. So it is what it is. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Y'all know how much that means to me. Make sure you help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button. And if you're new to the channel, go press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Y'all know I do drop tons and tons of videos. Got plenty coming. Goal video every day. Yeah, and should have a video every day this week. Yeah. See you guys next one. Peace. See you, Torrance.
Yeah.